Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, well, getting ready to check this hub bearing. It is pretty messy back there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but it's pretty messy. So we're going to take it apart and check on it and all that good stuff. And kind of go from there. I'm just looking for my Torx real quick because each of these are Torx. All right, took the axle nut off and go from there. All right, guys.
Later. You pulling the hubby out. There we go. Don't forget to connect it.
Hold on.
I'm holding on. You gotta hold on to what we've got. Damn, Lindsay. That ended me a little harder. Huh? Alright.
Actually, it was pretty funny because the other side, the wire on the other side, is just fucking dangling over here.
That's
So
classy.
I plopped it over.
Little GM weather pack action. You having trouble pulling out?
Never. My pull-out game is pretty good. I only have 2 kids.
I just don't pull out. My swimmers don't swim very well.
Nice.
Doesn't matter. Get your little bar. Now, just because we didn't have play doesn't mean that the bearing's still good. Because it is a sealed, captured hub. Oh, okay. That's gonna be fun. Yuki poo. Bang bangs? I brought bang bangs. Gentle. A gentle bang. It's like gentle Ben. You gonna do gentle love tap, Bernsey? That's not very nice, huh? There it goes. There it goes. All right. Look. Okay. Hub's off. Definitely scuzzy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Cut on the clippy. Grab it. Oops. Alright. Let's see here. Come here, baby. Ooh, chunky. Listen to that. Definitely chunky. I'm sure you spin that, it's gonna go. Tell me to grab it because my hands are clean. Fine, you grab it. Be that way. Silent. Not silent. Silent. Oh, look at it. See how that's flush?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. That was it.
As you can see where all the crap.
Look at. Look at.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Look at. There it is. Look at. Look at that gap. No gap. There you go.
So I should get this all cleaned up.
Yep. All right. Put it together, put the Earl in it, and away we go.
The what?
The Earl.
The hell's the Earl?
Oh. Lowell.
Are we in Oklahoma?
No. Anyway. So, we need to do that. Also, I'm going to send Adam a video regarding the brake lines. But other than that, moving along. Thank you, Mr. Burns. Mr. Burns.
What's up? There we go.
We're working on getting the hub in. Oh, yeah, there we go.
That should be a lot better right there.
There it is. Look at that thing of beauty. Beautiful. New hub going on. Get this together. And I'll go for a little test drive.
In there. I need you to go
There you go.
this way. Thank you. Now,
Looking good.
like this.
It's always fun when you see the bearing doing the Watusi. But it wasn't doing it enough to see with the wheel. I got you. Where you go? Oh yeah, right there.
Like this. And go like this. And you go like, hey, get in the hole. Thank you.
Gentle, nice and slow.
Nice and fast.
Whoop. Catching.
Oh,
Catching on this one. Pull that out.
what the hell? What is it stuck on?
It didn't go over the thing.
Over what thing?
Yeah, it moved. It's out of the way. Here, pop this out a little more, and we'll walk it. There you go. There it is.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that one's started.
That one started. Let's
So start.
here. Let's go to this one.
No, we can do the bottom one.
You're gonna go to the bottom one.
Yeah, and then
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at?
go, keep going.
Right there.
Chest and get this one started.
There we go.
There we go. That's a lot better.
And then come do this one. There you go. Hubbub bub.
Oop. Oh my god, there. I'm losing it. Medic. There we go. There we go.
There it is. Walking it in. Back in. There it goes. There we go. Beautimus. ABS.
Oh. Come on.
Your other left. Oh, there you go.
I'll tighten this guy up and we'll put the rotor and stuff on and
Get it all back together.
yeah. And then I can put it, what'd you call it?
What?
Foil?
Yeah, you put the Earl in it. All right.
So, what is that?
Thanks. All right. We'll see this next when it's all together.